In this video, I'm going to show you the bar risers I put on my BMW R9T Pure.
Gizmo! Cute!
Mods! So in my touring mods video, I was showing you the Healy bar risers I had on my bike with the Rizoma MA009 bars. And I decided I wanted to go a little bit more upright. So then I got the ROX 2-inch bar risers. When I had those installed, I didn't realize that they were getting installed on top of the Healy bars. And then I decided to leave both on. I saw on the 9T owners forum that Ken B from Manchester, England, he had both the Healy bars and the ROX risers. So I thought, I'll give it a go too. Seemed like there was enough cable slack for it, so they're both on the bike right now. And I saw there was a little razzing on the forum about how much hardware Ken had on his bars there, but now I have the same setup. So you can razz me too. Here's the Healy bars, and the ROX risers are on top. I also have the ROX risers positioned in the tallest position right now. I'm a lot more upright. There's still a little forward reach, but since I'm sitting more upright, I'm now getting more wind blast directly in my chest. You know, this is a naked bike after all, and that Rizoma fairing isn't doing much. So for touring, I've now decided to put on the Wunderlich Daytona fairing with the touring screen. That's coming next. And I might slightly position the ROX risers a little bit down and closer to me, but I might leave them in the highest position. We'll see on the next video. Mods! Oh, and hey, click like and subscribe to see future mods and adventures of Vroom Go Pam!